What the heck, man? I need some gas, yo. Where's a gas station around here, dude? Don't mind me, I'm just changing out the cabin air filter. AC works really good, nice and cold. Smells nice, really fresh. I know my hands are a little dirty, but just gonna go put some gas real quick. But yeah, man, feels so good. So I ordered custom license plates here that I put Flaggy 1. I was really shocked that Flaggy was already taken. I was pissed, honestly. I'm like, wow. Let's see, I got throttle body cleaner, Seafoam intake cleaner, mass airflow sensor cleaner, and the K&N air filter cleaner. I'm going to clean out the entire air intake system of my car, the air box, air filter, air tube, MAF sensor, throttle body, then finally the intake on my car. Okay, so I loosened the screws for the air filter, you know, to unplug the MAF sensor. So now I'm going to take off the hose on this side so I can take off the air box completely. There we go. I went ahead and put the cap on right there for the AC line. Didn't have one before. Take off the sensor here for the MAF. Should be like a button. Alright. There we go. Alright, so there's a throttle body. It's a little dirty, as you can see. Definitely needs some cleaning. I got the hose off obviously on that side. Couldn't really take off on this side. But here's the air filter. Move that out of the way. Pull it out. Ah, there we are. Doesn't look too bad. Oh yeah. Needs a little bit of cleaning there. Let's just put it down right now. It's a little small. The filter side. Such a big rubber thing. Yeah, small filter. Let's take a look at the air inbox here. Alright, definitely needs some cleaning. MAF needs some cleaning. Let's go ahead and take it out. And that's it. So I sprayed it on both sides, let it dry, then rinse, and then let it dry naturally, it said. So I guess you can't really force it to dry, to let it dry on its own. Here is the mass airflow sensor. This part of the air box is clean. Filter's still drying up, soaking up. We're gonna clean that next. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the cleaner now for this. The mass airflow sensor is now clean. Just letting it dry a little bit longer. Airbox is nice and clean. Now onto the throttle body. Now all screws are removed. Out it comes. There we go. Ooh, baby, that is filthy. Oh wow, I was expecting a little bit cleaner. There we can see inside the intake manifold. Clean that out a little bit. Don't need to replace the gasket, I don't think so. But damn, this is going to be really interesting. Here it is, nice and clean. It was kind of a pain to get it because it was really black, absolutely grimy, very nasty. All that carbon buildup, all that crap. Now clean, it's all gone. Letting it dry it for a little bit more, a few minutes, then put it back on. Gasket seems to be fine too. Everything is back on. Throttle body is good, tube is good, MAF is good, air box is good. Air filter still needs to dry. After that, I'll oil it up, put it back in, start it up, and see how she runs. I'm now letting it dry. I just sprayed some oil on it. Then after that, throw it into the car. Air filter is back in. Let's start her up. Now let's go check. Pretty good. Now let's go try her out. Tomorrow, I'll go ahead and do the Seafoam. So that's where I'm gonna put the phone tomorrow when I do the full acceleration test after the Seafoam's in the car, just to give it that spirited acceleration the bottle states. But let me see here. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna drive crazy right now, but let's just see. Oh yeah, she kicks now. Hell yeah. It's giving her a wash at night because sure, I'm gonna clean the inside tomorrow. And yeah, just doing the little things, you know, just taking care of my ride. This is the same shirt I wore when I put my rims on my car. Just in case you were wondering, this is the same shirt. I don't have a very large wardrobe. I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. It's connected. Now I'm going to turn on the engine. Can is now empty, so gonna let it heat soak for about 10 minutes and start it up, see if we have a smoke show. Oh my god, look at this. It's like all over the sky now. It went very well. The car popped like I never heard a pop like that before with the Seafoam. It was awesome. Brought a big old grin on my face. It was funny because when I was doing the Seafoam intake thing, whatever, right? I had 2-3 people from the neighborhood like pop out or like mad dogging me, seeing what the hell's going on. Why am I making so much noise? It was funny. I didn't care. And when I was driving on my way to the street, I was gonna go, you know, send it. There was a lot of smoke coming from the back. I couldn't get it on camera because when I was at a stop, all the smoke was going this way, the wind was blowing it that way, so I couldn't really get a good shot, so whatever. But when I was going down that street, what was funny, I didn't want to laugh on my way hauling ass. There was an old lady, she was walking towards this way. I'm like, oh dude, I gotta take off. I waited like a whole minute for cars to pass by, and here you come, you know. So I like, screw it, so I, you know, degunned it, sent it. I don't know how she reacted. She was like, oh god, here we go. So that was funny, and then made U-turn, came back, and then she was on the other side. She was just walking, she was like with the eyes all open and stuff. I was looking at her, I'm like, should I say something? I'm like, hey, sorry for doing that, or like, oh, I'm sorry, but I was like, whatever. So that was awesome. But that's pretty much it. All maintenance has been done to the car. All the fluids are good. I know I got to change a few more things, but that's all preventative maintenance, but things that should be replaced anyway because the car is 14 years old now. But this is pretty much the end of taking care of her. Well, not the end, but like, you know, it's now time to properly focus on the aesthetics of the car. Not so much on the inside because there's nothing wrong with the inside, but the outside, it's going to be super duper exciting. I cannot wait to show you guys what the hell I have planned for this car. Thanks for watching.